Hi, I'm Steve Humble from Creative Home Engineering, and I want to show you a little bit about our new Securiwall product. So this is a product that is designed to help people reinforce rooms that were not originally built to be hardened against forced entry attacks or hardened ballistically. So this product, it is very easy to buy and very easy to install, and it allows you to reinforce a room like that. So we have some documentation about this online, but there's not really a good substitution for getting to see a product up close and see kind of how it works and how it goes together. And so that's why I wanted to make this little video. So here we have, this is just a mobile demonstration unit that we made. The product is relatively heavy, so we didn't want to clad an entire wall. We wouldn't be able to move it around and show it to people. So we made this little sample wall. But you can see by looking at it, it is built the same way that the wall at your property might be built. So I maybe show you just the edge here. So this represents the 2x4 at your building. You've got a layer of drywall just like this. And the first step that you're going to want to do to install something like this is you will mount the strut to the wall. So this is just horizontally run strut. Obviously, there are lag bolts here that you can probably see, and you just drive those lag bolts into the studs just like you would with any other sort of wall hanging. We provide some really aggressive fasteners that will help you to do that. You should be able to see it just a little bit better now. So once you have these struts on and mounted securely to your studs, then the next thing you're going to do to install this is you're going to decide where you want your outlets to be or other perforations. And you will have ideally told us that ahead of time, and so we will have laser cut the perforations for you in the outer plate, but that would create a vulnerability if there wasn't any armor plate here where the plastic housing goes. So we provide these backer plates that also can screw into the studs, and you don't have to cut them or trim them or drill them, which is really important because this is all hardened armor plate, and it would take you forever if you would even be able to do it at all. So we provide these backer plates for you. You mount these to the wall first behind where your outlet will be once this plate is installed in a later step. And so you will have wires probably coming through over here, and you will just feed them in and connect them to your junction box here. So you've got this double layer of protection here. So once you have the backer plates installed, if you have any, then the next thing you're gonna do is install these spring clips. And these are very, very easy to install. The strut here is perforated, so you can use the perforations as a guide to put these in. You just decide where you want them, you push them in and twist them, and there you go. It's that easy. And then once you have all of these where you want them, they're lined up at regular spacing with the struts, then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to install the armor plate. So also pretty easy to do. I'm just gonna get the first one started here. Very easy, and then just drive these with your fastener here. I have the plate on this side and I have the plate on this side. Now we have this central area that is unprotected, and so that's why we have these overlapping joiner plates. So the next thing we're going to do is we're just going to position this plate so that it spans the gap and overlaps. And I'm just gonna get the first one started here. Okay, so now we have all the plates on. At this point in your installation, you won't have the outlet on yet, so you'll have a hole here, and you'll just pop in your junction box and get that wired up, get the faceplate on it. But very easy to do and very quick to reinforce a room so that it is an appropriate panic room. So hopefully this has answered your questions about how this product goes together. If you have any others, please feel free to give me a call. I'd love to help you.